Hello fooders, here's my chicken peri peri recipe. Please always check the caption for full written ingredients and other important tips. Okay, sorry, I have cold. As you can see, the chicken was so nice, so soft, moist, and everything. So in my bowl, I'm going to add some oil seasoning, ginger, garlic, paprika, some scotch bonnet, and my Nando's peri peri sauce. I will show you how to make this homemade if you don't have the store bought. This was a sharp chicken, so no time to start making any sauce. So you're going to coat your chicken. I'm using this chicken legs. We're going to coat it and allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to use my air fryer to grill this. If you don't have an air fryer, you can use your oven to do this, or you can use the normal charcoal outside to grill this. So this is how it looks after I think 25 minutes or so. I can't remember. And your chicken is ready. Be sure to flip it halfway for the other side to get cooked. And this is how you make chicken peri peri, of course. Kindly check the caption for written ingredients on how to make the peri peri sauce and other important tips. Bye.